All right, so here we have a radical, and this one has a 3 in front. So that means we're finding the cube root. C-U-B-E, cube root. And the cube root of 64 is some number. We're going to figure out how to simplify this. So you're simply going to take 64 and think, well, what can I multiply to get 64? I think of 8 times 8. But if you didn't think of that, for whatever reason, you could just go to your calculator and do 64 divided by 2 because it's even. So you know it'll divide by 2. And you'll get 2 times 32. But the cool thing is that we're going to end up at the same answer either way. So it doesn't really matter which method, you get there from. So I'm going to use 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 can be broken down again because 8 is actually like what, 4 times 2, or you could say 2 times 4. It doesn't matter. And then you look at it again and say, okay, can we break this down? Yes, 4 is 2 times 2. I've got this 2 and this 2. And then there's 4 again. That's another 2 times 2. All right. So now you're down to just what's called prime factors. There's nothing else you can divide into 2 to make it any smaller. And so, except 1 and 2, and that doesn't change it. So you stop there. So now go back to the fact that we're finding the cube root. That means that little 3 tells me I'm looking for groups of 3 of the same number. So I have a group of, there's 3 2s and there's 3 2s. Ooh, I don't have anything left over. That's kind of nice. That doesn't happen very often. So I've got one group of 2s. So I'm going to write a 2 for that. And I've got another group of 2s times another 2 for that one. So you write the number 1 time for each group that you have. Okay. And 2 times 2 is 4. That means the cube root of 64 is 4. 4 times 4 times 4. That's 16 times 4, which is 64. So there's another way to look at it. So maybe you looked at 64 and you said, well, 64, that'll divide by 4. That could be 4 times 16. Like I said, you'll eventually get down to the same thing that we got to. Right, there's the 2s and there's the pairs of 2s. And so there's 3 2s and there's 3 2s. And so because we had a 4 times 4 times 4. So just a different way of getting to it, but that's 2 times 2, which is 4. And that is the answer to this one. So cube root of 64 is 4.